out of my seat, the only man that can jackal from any state to any state. I told you, he won't turn me, and he turn me, he won't do turn me. Honorable Femi Adebayo is here. Listen, thank you. I know him very well. Brayika. Motiwa miss yet to how many hours? 42 hours. So, please, let him sit down. No, you will not collect mic now. No, you are not getting the mic now. Go and sit down. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, no problem. Come. Say it.
Àti tani níwájú.